Why don't chickens fly? Well, they can, but only for a few seconds. Domestic chickens have been bred for big muscles and juicy meat, especially in the chest. That heavy body makes flying really tough. Plus, they have short wings and small flight muscles compared to true flying birds like pigeons or crows. So instead of soaring, chickens are built for short hops and fast dashes. In the wild jungle fowl, their ancestors could fly into trees to escape predators. But today's chickens are more about dinner than daring escapes.